Welcome! Today we're going to clear the paper jam error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove the paper tray and paper support. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Inspect the tray opening. Squeeze the green levers together and lower the maintenance unit. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Turn to the rear of the machine and open the rear cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Raise the maintenance unit back into position. Replace the paper support and the paper tray. Plug the machine back into the outlet. If the jam persists, unplug the power cord from the outlet. Load a sheet of thick paper in the manual feed slot. Now plug the power cord back into the outlet. This should loosen any paper scraps still inside the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.